want to tell you about the process from the farmers onto our plate, how the foods are coming. Whether do they have any legs? By walking are they coming? No, they don't have. But they are coming by different process. Which process? These are the process. First, the farmers are plowing their soils. That means the field. How they are doing? With the help of nowadays tractor or any kind of other machines, or in our early days they was using the animals just like the cows, the buffaloes, like that. So first thing they have to plow their soil, that means the field of the soils, and afterwards they will dig to make the furrow. So what are the furrow? Where the seeds should be kept. These are the furrows. Next thing I want to talk you about the sowing. Sowing, what are those? Actually, sowing is nothing but to put the seeds inside the soil. That one is called the sowing. So next thing, the watering. So first thing, you plowed your field. Next you sowed also. Definitely you have to put the water. So regularly you have to sprinkle water. Not only you, that means the farmer. They are giving the water. They are watering their fields. Next thing they have to, so first thing, where they will get the waters. So definitely that one should be collected from any of the wells or any tube wells nearby, whichever arrangement do they have, that one from there they will get. Next, they are using the manure. What the manures are? Actually, those are the waste substances of the animals. Because why we should apply these things, why we should mix this one? Because these are helping to make the soil with mineral, to make the increase. So with the help of this manure we are getting a good harvesting also. Next, the uses of manure. So why the farmers are using the manure? Because to enrich the soil with minerals. So what are the manures actually? The manures are the waste substances of the animals. With the help of these, they are able to make the good growth of the crops. Next thing, they are using the different kinds of pesticides or the insecticides. What are these? Have a look here. These one that the farmers spraying the pesticides. They are spraying. Otherwise, it won't spread uniformly. So, with the help of pesticides, which insects are harmful for the crops, they will be die. So, definitely the uses of pesticides is also important for the farmers also. Next, they are using different kind of scarecrows. So why the name is scarecrows? Definitely after listening the name you can have one imagination. So scare means they are afraid. Who are afraid? The crows. The different birds and the crows, they are doing lots of hammer to our fields or the crops. So definitely there should have someone to make them fly. But how is it possible? All time it is not possible for anyone. So on that time they are preparing different kinds of scarecrows. After seeing the scarecrows, the birds and the different animals, they will think that someone or somebody is present there. So they won't come nearby to the field. So these are called the scarecrows. And the harvesting, after ripening the crops. So definitely the farmers need to cut the crops. They are cutting these crops with the help of sickles or the machines also. They are using the machines. Sometimes cutting of the crops with the help of sickles or any kind of machines is called the harvesting. Next, the harvested crops, they are being separated from the grains. Next, the crops are being collected in different packets. Generally, they are using the gunny bags. Gunny bags, which one is made of the jute. Jute, all of you know, and with the help of these gunny bags, they are distributing to the different shopkeepers or the vendors, and from that vendors or the shopkeepers we are buying the crops. In our daily life, we are buying the different kinds of cereals, pulses, the sugars, the oils from the groceries. Definitely all of you know. Are you visiting to your parent to any grocery shop? Did you? I think you did, definitely. And we buy different vegetables from the different groceries. And the green groceries, that means not that kind of grocery, those are called the green groceries. And the fruits we are buying from the fruit sellers. So those are the different shops. So very frequently you may visit there, and in this way, after getting the fruit or any vegetables, it may be crops we are cooking, not fruits we are not cooking, the vegetables and the crops we are cooking. After cooking, we are able to eat them. So can you imagine, there is a long process to fill to your plate. So that one is not a easy task. So definitely we have to learn about those all the things. And one more thing I have already told you, always try to have the healthy food, which one is very good for our health. And one more thing, always have food after a short interval. Don't go for the junk foods, and always be a good baby or good child. And one thing is also there, already I have told you, that always drink plenty of water, because that one is helping us to protect our body. So how it is helping us to, it is boosting our digestive system, it is boosting our circulatory system, to the flow of the blood becomes more with the help of, and the purification also. The purification of the blood is doing more with the help of the huge amount of water. Huge does not mean that lots of water you will drink in a single day. No, that I didn't mean like that. I am telling you, you have to drink at least 2 liter water in a day. Otherwise, you may face other disease also. So always be healthy and be fit. Otherwise, you may face problems. And all of you do homework, which one I have already given to your workbook, and all of you go through the entire lesson from our course book. Afterwards, prepare well for our online exam.